That's nasty.
I'm Jackson with Golden Rule. I'm here with Jonathan, one of our plumbers. He's going to cut open one of the water heaters and take us through what it looks like inside and the importance of annual maintenance.
We just finished cutting out the outer layer of the water heater and the insulation layer. Now let's get into the final layer that holds the water. A lot of homeowners don't know that they need to flush their water heater annually. They need to flush it once a year so that we can get all of this gunk out so that we can continue to maintain your water heater. You want to know why you don't have hot water in the morning? It's because of these rocks, this crystallized sediment that just cakes up at the bottom of your water heater. This is what you make your morning coffee with. We don't want this in your water heater.
Okay, have you even gotten to the bottom of the hot water heater yet?
I mean, I'm probably getting about 6 to 8 inches worth of sediment in this bad boy.
It's only getting stinkier as you go down too.
There should not be any crystals on this. I bet you that this is one of the main reasons why it went out. A huge reason why these water heaters go out so quickly is because they get really, really thick, and now they've become a bedpan, and your burner is having to work extra hard to heat up that rock and then the water. So realistically, if you have a 40-gallon water heater, you now have a 30 or a 25-gallon water heater, and that's why you're running so quickly out of hot water.
Hey, we're still digging, trying to find the bottom here. That's all that's come out so far. You haven't even hit the bottom yet. Got it yet?
That's the bottom.
Oh, we finally found the bottom. That's nasty.
This is sediment building up into the main water inlet and the hot water outlet. It's super important to have a water softener or a whole house filtration system so that it doesn't gum up your inlets and outlets. Are you noticing low pressure? It could be this.